Now, on the other hand, the Department of Home Affairs, alongside with law enforcement agencies, they've clamped down on illegal immigrants in the Johannesburg CBD today. Now, this saw several foreign nationals without documentation being arrested. The Gauteng Provincial Home Affairs Manager has called out South Africans who are entering into marriage with foreigners in exchange for money or citizenship.
Isebe lemicimbi ekhaya lichaza ingxaki yabemi bamazwe ngaphandle abangena kweli lizwe ngokungekho mthethweni njengeyona ngxaki inkulu eliqhubisana nayo. Lisoleka ngelithi enye ngabemi boMzantsi Afrika abangena kwizivumelwano zomtshato nabemi bangaphandle ngenjongo yokufumana imali.
We have arrested 32 illegal foreigners, and of those we have also arrested another 3 foreign nationals whom we are suspecting that they have fraudulent marriages. This is a serious problem in South Africa where the citizens are getting in an arranged marriage. We call it a marriage of convenience, and people are being paid monthly in an effort for the foreign nationals to eventually get citizenship. And that is why we are saying we are going to make sure that we investigate not only to deal with with the foreign nationals.
Ukujongana ngqo nale ngxaki isebe lithi lenza iinkqubo zokufundisa abemi beli malunga neziphumo ezingekho zihle ezidalwa kukungena kwezi zivumelwano.
As Home Affairs, we have Siyasebenta, where we also go out to particular sectors to make sure, for example, we are also focusing on South Africans that are employing illegal foreigners, so that we also make sure that there is accountability on our part as South Africans. But also we are doing a public education to South Africans to make them aware of the implications of getting into such arrangements, as that is really compromising the security of the country.
Intsebenziswano sisixhobo elisebe elithi siza kunceda ukulwisana noku. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka, eGoli.